Yeah. Yeah, what do you want? Why? Because I broke up with you, you crazy bitch! You. Oh. Donovan, you are gonna be the death of me. Oh. Hello? Come on, man. Who's in here? Dave, are you in here?
Yeah.
Please hurry up, dude. I really gotta go. Like, it's a problem.
But I'm not going.
You're not going? Then what the hell are you doing in the bathroom?
I like it in here.
You like... Man, come on. Get the fuck out of here, man. I really gotta go.
I don't wanna.
Come on. People have business to take care of. It's in there. Shit. Fuck. Oh, shit. I gotta poop. Damn it. What? Oh, you bitch. Oh. Whoa! Lock the door, dude! God damn! Whoa! God damn! It's about fucking time. Dreams, big boy. You shouldn't have dumped me, 'cause I took all of your toilet paper.